welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica. So I'm up with another vlog. This is going to be a staycation vlog. So before getting into the video, if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such video. Okay, it's time to get into the video. Come, let's go. As you guys know, we were traveling with our couple friends Bharati and Prasanna and their kid Nilan. So we selected Yercaud for our staycation. So it is going to be very misty, I guess, because it's November. During November and December, all the hill stations in Tamil Nadu is going to be very misty. So if you guys looking out for a perfect weekend getaway, if you're from Bangalore, it is going to be about 250 kilometers to Yercaud, and if you're from Chennai, it is going to be about 250 kilometers. And you can just come to Yercaud via Salem. From Salem, it is around 30 kilometers. Roads were good and it has a very good scenic view, and the whole road trip was futuristic. So we pre-booked our hotel. The resort is located nearby the lake, so it's very easily accessible when you enter the Yercaud town. So before telling you guys more about the resort, I just want you to introduce to my cute little travel partner Nilan. Do say hi to him. Hi. So as soon as we entered, they greeted us with the Sukku coffee, which is quite famous in South India. It is the milkless coffee which has its medicinal values. So when we were at the reception, we saw a lot of men in dhotis. So they were here for some event for a tractor company. So it was a bit crowded, but then it was fine for the day. After all the procedures in the reception, we just checked into our room. It's a basic room with a window view. So I'm going to give a detailed tour of the room and the resort in my Tamil vlog in my other channel. If you want to know about the Tamil channel, I'm leaving the cards up there. You can just follow. We relaxed in the room for some time and we took a stroll around the resort. It was night by then, you can't see anything. It was misty and cold, and we went to this lounge bar. The resort has 3 restaurants. This is one among that. It is a bar and the kitchen. I must say the bar is stocked up very good, and you have this wonderful varieties of mocktails and cocktails over there, and a very good peaceful ambience. You have this snooker table there. You can play with your friends, hang out, just a peaceful place to spend your night. And we went back to our home and had a very good sleep. And in the morning I woke up for sunrise, but it is already misty over there. When you are here during April and May at this resort, they have this wonderful viewpoint where it gives you an amazing view of Yercaud Lake and the town. But since it's November and I have come here during that time, it's very misty. I was not able to stand there much time because it is very freakingly cold. So we went out to the breakfast spot. So the breakfast spot, the varieties and the spreads, I'm going to show you that. They had this continental breads and cornflakes, tea, coffee and bananas. Also some fruits, and they have this puttu, curry and sambar, pongal, and also semia. Everything was so fresh and it was very hot. And they have this masala idli and some cakes, cupcakes, chutneys, and they have this soup I must try it because it's very cold. It will be very nice to have a soup over there. And I was surprised to see dragon chicken, maybe chili chicken, I guess, for a breakfast spread. They have this indoor seatings. Also, they have this amazing outdoor seating. I love this ambience. I had the soup with this perfect misty view. And also some yummy continental breakfast, and also you have dosa counters and omelette counters. I must say it's a very wide spread of breakfast. And after breakfast we just took a walk around the resort. Say they have a spa counter and also a wonderful infinity pool, but as you guys know, it's very misty and cold. I was not able to access the pool by then. And after that we went back to our room, chilled for some time, and now we are heading to our lunch spot, GRT Great Trials. Initially we were about to plan our staycation at this place in GRT, but the rooms were booked, so we were not able to book it over here. So we went to a second most option, Grand Palace Resort. I'm very satisfied about that resort also. But then this resort is also a very good picturesque view resort. Mainly I have to appreciate the thing about GRT is everything which I saw online was real. I was able to see everything which I saw online. So they have this beautiful viewpoint with the skywalk bridge. So that is the main important place to be watched in this GRT trial. It gives you a very good view of Yercaud town and also the Salem city view, the roads and everything. The airpin bins also will be seen, I guess. They also had the sky bridge. It's very amazing to walk through that perfect Instagrammable spot. So after walking a lot, you will be led to this amazing restaurant. The valley view would have been amazing if the mist was cleared, but then I was enjoying the beautiful weather and the view, also the yummy food. I must say GRT is on the expensive side, but all the food which we had there was yummy and the quality was top notch. After lunch spot, we came to know about this event going on at our hotel, Grand Palace Resort, for the kids. It was a special event for like magic shows and other stuffs for kids. So we took Nilan over there and we had some fun there. And it's time to call it a day. And the next day we were able to check into a room with a balcony view which we asked for. So the balcony view was amazing. It had valley view, but unfortunately the mist played the role and it was fully covered up. Randomly I was checking out the balcony views at some point. It was very nice to see the valley view. So I thought and I convinced my friends to jump into the pool. So we went to the pool, and surprisingly the mist was fully cleared up and I had this amazing view for myself. I must admit it was very cold over there. Initially when I got into the pool I was not able to breathe only, so it was that cold. But within some 10 to 15 minutes the mist was covering up soon. I know what you're thinking, it was so cold, but then I enjoyed the moment. After the coldest bath of my life, so we thought of having lunch at this altitude kitchen and bar. As I already said, you have 3 restaurants in this resort. We already dined in Cloud9 and also in Orange Resort for breakfast, and now the altitude kitchen bar. The parotas, biryanis, gravies, and everything was so yummy at this altitude kitchen bar. I'm going to show you the dine-in place where you actually have to dine in. This is the dining place. Just because it was drizzling and it's very cold, you cannot dine in over here. We were given that hut. So that hut is a private space where you have to book it, pay separately for dining in that hut space. Just because it was drizzling, we were given that place to dine in. It is not drizzling only, and if you are going to dine in here, it is the best staycation, I guess. And I'm not complaining, it is also the best staycation now because we had this private space and yummy food. After this good lunch and the good staycation, we just checked out from a hotel, so it's time to get back to Chennai. So that's it guys, let me end this video right here. Do you guys see, this is the perfect staycation I ever had because I didn't even see a single touristy spot at Yercaud. With lots of good memories of this staycation, I'm heading back to Chennai. We'll meet you guys in the next video. But then if you're new here and also if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. Let me meet you guys in my next video for more travel and fun. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies.